The Ultra 3 has arrived and we're going to be unboxing this and comparing it to the Ultra 1. So let's go ahead and get started. So we got two pull tabs on the side. I'm always extremely careful with these because I've ripped one before. So basically you kind of just keep your finger right there, pull back right there, and here we go. Like seriously, they design these so well. Like I love the way it looks. We have a new booklet this year, so we can open that up. It's like a trifold. It doesn't look like we have any paperwork this year, which is kind of odd. But let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the box for the watch. And then I also got the titanium Milanese loop band. I don't know why I never picked this up last year, but I'm super excited to try it out this year. So let's start off with opening the band. So we just pull that tab. Oh, man, that did not pull like they normally do. So that made a little bit of a mess. And that looks good. This looks really good. So you have a little pull tab here. And these bands, they really like kind of basically tear up the sides of the box when you open them up. Why is that? There we go. So here is the band. You have this weird from the pull tab. Let's just take this off. Super, super lightweight. Oh, there's even more right here. Man, so much. This thing is insanely lightweight. I might have to try to weigh it and kind of just see exactly how much this thing weighs, because that's crazy. Now, what we've all been waiting for, the Ultra 3. So we have two pull tabs on this. Hopefully these work a little bit better. So that one comes off real nice and easy, and so does this one. So now, just turn it around. Designed by Apple in California. So right there, open this up, pull that up. So we got a nice braided cable for the charging puck, which is nice to see. Move that back. And now the Apple Watch Ultra 3. I'm one of those weird people that doesn't like ripping the paper, plastic, whatever it is. So it looks like we have a little pull thing right here. So if we pull this off, then I should be able to slide the watch out, hopefully. There we go. So I failed. There is a rip. But here is the Ultra 3. Let's go ahead and hit the side button, turn it on. There we have it. Now, of course, if you look at these side by side, they look identical. But the Ultra 3 does come with some nice upgrades, and we're going to be comparing that with the Ultra 1 as soon as I get this set up. We do have a larger screen this year. The Ultra now has the largest screen of any Apple Watch, which is really good because the Series 10 kind of took that over last year, and I'm glad to see that they improved the size of the Ultra 3. Now, the size of the device itself did not change. It is exactly the same size. We can also look at the sensors on the back. They look roughly the same. But let's go ahead and get this paired to my iPhone, and then we'll do the comparison. Everything is all paired up, and just look at the bezel difference between the Ultra 3 and the original right here. That is awesome. Like, I can't wait till we get to the point where there's no bezel at all. The Ultra 3 has a 422 by 514 pixel screen size. The Ultra 1 and Ultra 2 was 410 by 502. So not a massive difference, but still, like, just looking at the bezels themselves, it looks really good. Now, that's not the only thing that the Ultra 3 actually has over the Ultra 2 and the Ultra 1. We now have 5G speeds, which is great. The cellular connection is going to be way better on these, but we also now have the satellite connectivity as well. I don't have my cellular set up on this one yet, but I will do that, and I will test out and see how all that works. Along with that, with watchOS 26, over the Elite Ultra 1, we now should have the ability to have the sounds and haptics. We have that automatically adjust volume, which is going to be great. I really love that on my Series 10. And then let's go ahead and take this band off real quick, because I just want to test out the weight of this thing, because this thing is crazy. So I have a little scale right here, and let's see how many grams this thing weighs. 36 grams. Just for reference, this is a band from Nomad. This is just a silicone band that is also amazing. But let's check how much it weighs. 30 grams. So this is a super lightweight titanium mesh band. Like I said, I don't know why I waited so long to try this one out. It just connects directly like that, and then when you release it, you just push up and pull out. So this can actually be adjusted too, but this band is just really cool, and I'm really enjoying it on the Ultra 3. But also, just for reference, let's go ahead and check the size and everything as well. So if I pop that right in there, this one comes in at 14.1, and the original comes in at 14.1 as well. So they are identical. We can also do the height, 49.1 roughly. 49 even, there it goes, 49.1. So size-wise, everything is the same between these two devices. The Ultra 3 now also touts 42 hours of battery life over, I believe this one was 36 when it was originally released. So I'm super excited to see how the battery life does on this device. If you're interested and you want to see more on this watch, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But if you're also curious about the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air, I have a video right here for you. Hope you have a great rest of your day. God bless.